Back here, Pilchuck Creek, the water's a little higher today. I'm gonna try and get some more of this rock. I can't believe it's still here. It looks like a beautiful day at the creek. And of course, I got Sweetie, little Sweetie dog. So, let's see what I can get out of here today. I don't have a backup camera, guys, so I'll just have to see what I can get and show you after I get it. Alright, I got one broken chisel, but I did get a bunch to break free. I think it's the big one. I'm gonna get my shadow out of the way. Alright. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, that'll allow me to get a bunch more, I bet. Yeah. Score. Alright, I think I'm about to get another one. It looks kind of loose. I don't know if it's broke yet, but... Oh yeah, it's broke. It popped. Oh, that's gonna be a monster one. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a good one. Not spectacular, but pretty darn good. Oh yeah, I think it's real good actually. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. We will take it. And we will see if we can get another piece or two off of that. I'd like to get down over there. Got some more of that real nice. I think it's, oh, I don't even know what it is. Some sort of serpentine material or something, but yeah, let's see what else we can get. All right, here's a few things that I got today. That's a big piece. Some of this stuff is going to be awesome polished up. Actually, most of it. I think this is my new favorite piece right here. I haven't even cleaned it yet. That's just straight out of the creek. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in it, but... And then I got this piece over here. And it has got a crack all up through here going straight down. And this is all druzy. And there's a little druzy up there. So I'm kind of thinking if I can get that to crack, I think that'll be a really good break. I think it'll be worth trying, even if I break it. Let's try it out. Alright, let's see if I can crack these right down that line there. Just gonna go little by little, I think. Don't want it Not sure if this is gonna break where I want it to. Lost a little bit out there, but that's all right. It's still really cool stuff. Let's see. Sure looks like this crack just disappears right in there, but let's try one last time. Cracked in the right spot or not, but we will see. Oh yeah, sure did. That was a perfect break. That was perfect. Look at that. Gonna clean all that up. That'll all be druzy. All right. I'll get some acid on that. Get that cleaning up. Get all the calcite and all the rust off of there. That's what the muriatic acid will do. You don't want to leave it on real long, but I want to be real careful with it too. But yeah, see that whole backside is also druzy. This one's gonna be a beautiful piece. So is that one. Man, got lucky today. All right. Got big plans for this big rock. Look how big that thing is. There's some veins in there, and I'm gonna get them